If your Chevy Traverse won't start, don't panic. Let's walk through the most likely culprits in just a few minutes. Statistically, 70% of no-start conditions in these SUVs trace back to a weak or disconnected battery. Before you call a tow truck, follow this systematic diagnostic approach. Start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and verifying your voltage before moving to the starter. If the battery is fine, look at the starter motor, ignition fuses, or the neutral safety switch. Don't ignore the immobilizer system, as a failing key fob or pass lock sensor will prevent the engine from cranking. Simple cleaning usually solves the issue, but internal starter or ECU faults require professional diagnostic tools. As you can see, the price difference between a simple fuse and a full starter replacement is substantial. For advanced troubleshooting, use an OBDI scanner to find hidden codes or perform a voltage drop test on the starter circuit. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and wire brush handy to handle most electrical contact issues yourself. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before performing any underhood electrical work. If these steps didn't solve your issue, it might be time for a professional technician. Thanks for watching.